Are you tired of scouring the internet for the best affiliate programs? Or maybe you've found some, but they don't quite fit your niche or don't offer the commission rates you were hoping for. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and join affiliate programs on Impact Radius, a powerful affiliate marketing platform that connects affiliate marketers with some of the world's top brands. But before we dive into the details, let me tell you a short story. Just a few years ago, I was trying to make a living from affiliate marketing. I spent countless hours searching for the right programs to join, but I often found myself getting frustrated and overwhelmed by the sheer number of options out there. I knew there had to be a better way to find the right programs for my niche and audience. That's when I discovered Impact Radius, a platform that has revolutionized the way I approach affiliate marketing. With its powerful search and filtering tools, I was able to quickly find programs that fit my niche and offered competitive commission rates. And the best part? The process of joining these programs was fast and easy, allowing me to start earning commissions in no time. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, stick around as I show you how to use Impact Radius to find and join the best affiliate programs for your niche. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned affiliate marketer, this video is for you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. First, let's talk about how to find affiliate programs on Impact Radius. Once you've signed up for an account, you can use the platform's search and filtering tools to find programs that fit your niche and audience. You can search for programs based on keywords, categories, commission rates, and more. Next, you'll need to apply to join the program. Each program has its own requirements and application process, but in general, you'll need to provide information about your website or social media account, as well as your traffic and audience demographics. Once you've been approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the brand's products. You'll earn commissions whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. It's that simple. But before you start promoting, it's important to familiarize yourself with the program's terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the commission rates, payment schedule, and any restrictions or guidelines for promoting the brand's products. This will help you avoid any misunderstandings or disputes down the line. Now that you know how to find and join affiliate programs on Impact Radius, it's time to start promoting. There are many different ways to promote affiliate products, from blog posts and social media posts to email marketing and paid advertising. Experiment with different tactics to find what works best for your audience and niche. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to finding and joining affiliate programs on Impact Radius. This powerful platform is a game changer for affiliate marketers, making it easier than ever to monetize your website, blog, or social media accounts. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to find programs that fit your niche and audience. With Impact Radius, you have access to some of the top brands in the world, so take advantage of this opportunity to earn commissions and build your online business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.